In today's spinning mills, the final stage defines your quality and reliability. Introducing Indo Technology's Auto Cone Pack, box with cone inspection system. The complete automation for error-free packing. The operator places cones in groups 12, 18, or 24 per box on the auto-retrieval system. The system records total weight and checks if it's within tolerance. Deviations are indicated for adjustment. Each cone passes through Cone Eye, Indo Technology's AI-based inspection system. It checks tip color, pattern, and shade uniformity under visible and UV light, ensuring zero mix-ups. Each inspected cone is wrapped and sealed automatically, then arranged into perfect matrices, ready for box loading. The robotic gripper places cone matrices layer by layer into boxes. Separator sheets are inserted automatically for safe, uniform, and consistent packing. Each filled box is weighed, taped, strapped, and labeled with a QR code containing lot, order, and weight details. The Auto Cone Pack system connects to ERP, providing live dashboards for packing, production, and inspection reports. The result? Zero packing errors, 100% traceability, reduced manpower, real-time visibility, and consistent quality. Indo Technology, redefining textile automation.